Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Tesla Model X full guide. Begin by blocking out the car with simple shapes: rectangle body, curved roof, and circle wheels. Keep proportions balanced and measure wheelbase length against overall body height. Use construction lines for door placement and window height. Work lightly so corrections are easy, and focus on symmetry between left and right sides. This foundation makes detailing and refinement much faster and more accurate. In this video, I will show how to draw Tesla Model X full guide. Now refine the body by smoothing the roof and hood lines to match the Model X profile. Sculpt the wheel arches with gentle flares to convey the SUV stance and add subtle character lines on the doors and skirts. Keep strokes confident but adjustable so you can tweak angles and curvature. Check proportions often and compare opposite sides for consistent balance. In this video, I will show how to draw Tesla Model X full guide. Quick recommendation: if you snack while drawing, try those leak-proof food containers. They keep sauces and dressings secure and make cleanup simple. They stack neatly on your desk and save time when prepping meals between practice sessions. If you want the exact product and other deals, check the description for the link. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to draw Tesla Model X full guide. Focus on smaller details: headlights, windshield pillars, mirrors, and flush door handles. Render the wheels with layered spokes and a deep rim to suggest depth. Use shading to separate glass, metal, and tire materials, and add reflection lines on windows for realism. Keep contrast moderate so the sketch reads clearly while remaining easy to ink or color later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.